Hello and welcome back once again, food lovers. Listen, I just finished grilling this up right now and I'll be using it to prepare Okazi soup. I'll be tagging the video along. Yeah, I have my Okazi, I have my goat meat, I have my cow tripe, I have my Kpomo properly cleaned, a dry fish and crayfish. I got some Maggie cubes here and some chicken flavor. I got onion and pepper. I will blend them both together. Here I got fermented locust bean. Ogiri. We'll be using salt and I'll be using this taro as our thickener. You can use whatever you have. So I have this. I'll be using this in replacement to cocoyam or achi, or for you can thicken your soup whichever way you like. Then we'll have our palm oil. This is going to be very easy to make. So let's dive right immediately, folks. And please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Stay with me, please. And thank you. Let's cook. Goat meat right in the pot. Cow tripe. Chop up my Kpomo. I'll also blend my chili and onion. Add in the cow skin. Cut your Kpomo according to your desire, your choice. Add in my blended chili and onion. I got my salt, my chicken flavor, Maggie cubes. I like to form my soup base from onset, so I'll be adding water, but you can as well steam cook for like 10 minutes before you add water, but I'll be adding water at this point. I added some hot water and try to mix this up together. Cover pot and cook. While this is on the fire, let's prepare our thickener. So let's wash this and cook. Our thickener is ready, so I'll scoop it out. Either pound it or I'll use a food processor. So here is our crayfish. So here is our blended crayfish. Also do the same too of dry. Soak this. And this is what we got. You can see our thickener is ready. So now let's get back to our pot. Wow, our meat has been cooking very well. Now we'll add in my fish. Mix my ogiri up and we'll add it right in. I'll add in my thickener. Bit by bit, okay? Add more water according to the quantity you need. Crayfish. Add in palm oil. Allow this to cook. This is good. Add in my Okazi leaf. Check if I will be needing more or not. Now add in my mackerel. Stir this together. What do you all think? Now prepare your semo, your gari, your pounded yam, whatsoever you want to be eating it with. Our Okazi soup is ready to serve.